If you're still spending your weekends manually cleaning, scrubbing, and vacuuming your pool, you're working way too hard. Let's get started. Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Today we're taking a look at the WYBOT C2 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. WYBOT sponsored this video because they know we test a lot of pool robots on this channel to see what actually works and what offers the best value. So first, let's talk performance. The C2 is equipped with highly efficiency brushless motor that is designed to clean your pool floors, walls, and water line. It easily climbs the walls and scrubs the water line, pulling in all types of debris. It navigates around the debris and obstacles smoothly using cross path for the floors and a standard climbing path for the walls to make sure that it gets every area and absolutely nothing is missed. If you give it a runtime of 180 minutes, it can cover over 2,152 square feet in a single charge. And then it has fast charge to charge fully in 3.5 hours. Now, if you owned an older robot pool cleaner, you know there have been some frustrations in the past about it getting stuck on a main drain, on steps, or any kind of issues about where you have to rescue it. WYBOT tackled this by giving the C2 a built-in gyroscope for precise navigation, paired with something called obstacle surmounting function. What does this mean? In plain English, it just means that you can map every angle and orientation under the water without you having to watch over it. So when it encounters raised main drains, steps, standard pool obstacles, the high efficiency motor and roller designed to allow effortless pass right over them without losing traction. This was kind of a cool thing to see it just literally climb over things as it was cleaning. I thought it was a pretty interesting concept that I hadn't seen in other modern pool robot cleaners. The filtration on this is also a standout feature. It uses an advanced double filtration system. First, you have an 180 micron filter basket that catches all the large debris, like leaves, twigs, any of the kind of stuff that falls into the pool. But inside of that, there is a 10 micron ultra-fine filter that traps really fine particles such as dust, pollen, sand, any of those small particles that you can't see, it's able to capture. Then opening up the basket after it's done a full cycle, you can see everything that it was able to capture through the filters is able to capture all the dirt that was hiding inside of your pool. Another thing that really came as a surprise to me was its versatility in the different kinds of pools it can clean. Before I get into the shape, this is one of the very full pool cleaners that I reviewed that not only can do in-ground pool cleaning, but also above ground pool cleaning. So the C2 really adapted to different environments. It can also handle rectangular layouts, oval layouts, and completely custom free-form shapes. This is huge because robot pool cleaners can easily get confused by irregular curves or tight corners and can't always adapt to the layout. With its navigation system though, it basically finds the specific pool shape and isn't wasting battery repeating scrubbing the same spot or getting stuck in a corner loop. For the smart features, everything runs through the WYBOT app. You do need to use the app to select your preferred cleaning mode before you drop the pool cleaner into the pool because, like most pools cleaners, you cannot connect to it once it's underwater. But the interface is very simple. I think a lot of people could benefit from this just simpler interface compared to some of the complex ones I've seen before. You select a pool shape and choose the mode, like turbo, eco, or a targeted waterline cleaning if you have friends coming over and you just need that top layer clean. You can also use the cycle timer function to set up a 7-day, 4 times cleaning pool schedule so your pool stays clean automatically according to your needs specifically. And not only does it do a really good job of customizing a schedule out for your pool, but you can actually specify the type of cleaning you want to do right then and there. The app actually gives you 7 different cleaning modes and 6 unique cleaning paths to choose from. For instance, you can set it up for standard full pool, which handles the walls, floor, and water line all in one go. But if you want to, and you just have a windy day with a bunch of dirt inside the bottom, you can just switch to floor cleaning. or even EcoFloor mode to save energy. There's also a dedicated wall only and targeted waterline modes as well. When it is done cleaning, you don't have to jump in and swim to get it. It uses an auto park system that brings the pool cleaner to the edge of the pool, so it'll be basically right up against the wall, so it should be hassle-free to retrieve it. All you have to do is grab a hook and just pull it out. Simple and easy. I like this because it is pretty lightweight, so it won't hurt your back too much, and you're not going to need to go into the middle of the pool. It lines up right at the sides, so it's easy to grab. So if you want a budget-friendly pool cleaner that's going to be able to consistently clean your pool so you don't manually have to, the WYBOT C2 is a great option to have. I'm going to have links to it down below so you can check out the latest pricing because there should be some sales coming shortly. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, follow me on social media at YouTube Tech Guy. And check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.